What if I told you that your brain is constantly influencing your decisions without your permission? Every day, hidden mental shortcuts shape what you believe, what you buy, and even how you see yourself. Here are 10 psychological tricks your brain uses every single day. Your brain loves being right. Once you form an opinion, you naturally search for information that supports it. At the same time, your brain tends to ignore evidence that challenges your beliefs. This psychological shortcut is called confirmation bias. Have you ever worried that everyone noticed your mistake? In reality, most people are too focused on their own lives to pay much attention. Your brain exaggerates how much other people are watching you. Psychologists call this the spotlight effect. The first piece of information you see often influences every decision that follows. A high price tag can make a lower price feel like a bargain, even when the original number is completely arbitrary. This is known as the anchoring effect. When you're uncertain, you naturally look to others for guidance. If many people are doing something, your brain assumes it must be correct. This instinct helped humans survive in groups for thousands of years. Today, it still influences your choices every day. Your brain judges probability based on what it remembers most easily. Dramatic events stick in your memory longer than ordinary ones. As a result, rare events often feel more common than they really are. This mental shortcut is called the availability heuristic. Social media has amplified one of the brain's oldest fears, the fear of being left out. When you see others having experiences without you, your brain interprets it as a loss. Every decision consumes mental energy. This creates the powerful feeling known as FOMO. The more choices you make, the more exhausted your brain becomes. Eventually, you begin choosing what is easiest instead of what is best. This phenomenon is called decision fatigue. Your brain forms impressions surprisingly fast. When someone appears confident or attractive, you often assume they possess other positive qualities. One strong impression can influence everything else you believe about a person. This is known as the halo effect. Why does one criticism hurt more than 10 compliments feel good? Because your brain is designed to pay extra attention to threats. Negative experiences leave stronger impressions than positive ones. Sometimes your actions and beliefs don't agree with each other. When that happens, your brain experiences psychological discomfort. To reduce that discomfort, it often changes how you think rather than how you behave. This process is called cognitive dissonance. These psychological tricks are not flaws. They are shortcuts your brain developed to help you navigate a complex world. The more you understand them, the more control you gain over your decisions and behavior. And now that you know them, you'll start noticing them everywhere.